Our file exam.txt contains one student per line with a name and a score separated by a colon. We want to find out which students got the highest score and which students got the lowest score. Step 1. Open the file and read all lines. We open exam.txt and read all lines into a list called exam. Each element is a string, and notice the new line at the end. Step 2. Create an empty dictionary for results. We'll build a dictionary called exam results, where keys are student names and values are integer scores. Step 3. Parse each line. Strip, split, convert score to integer. For each line, strip function removes the new line at the end, split function for colon, separates the name and the score, index 0 is the name, index 1 is the score, and integer function converts the score from text to a number. Finally, we store them in the dictionary. Step 4. Find the highest and lowest scores. Max function, shortcut for maximum, gives us the highest score, and min function, shortcut for minimum, gives the lowest score. We can use them for the values of dictionary variable named exam results. Step 4. Print the worst and best students. We compare each student's score to the minimum and to the maximum. If there are ties, this prints all students who share the same lowest or highest score. Knowledge Club, the bridge to the future.